everyone, my name is Lauren Brown and I would like to bring you a video on one of medical medium Anthony Williams' recipes and what he approves of. And so this is going to be made out of millet, and I found what is organic, and I want to show you this product, and I'll give you a link down below on where to find it. But this is Millet Ramen Noodles organic, and I'll give you a link to it, but it's ramen noodles. And so it is completely made out of just one ingredient, which is organic millet. And we'll get started with the recipe. So this just calls for you to boil the millet for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to make the sauce for it also with all of his approved ingredients. And so I'm going to switch the camera around so you can see all the food. So here we go. Alright. And so, alright, so you have dulse flakes, and you can get that in a different variety, and this is the one that I use, and it's a salt alternative. And then maple syrup, and then tomato paste, and it's strictly just tomatoes and nothing else added to the tomatoes. And then cayenne pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder, and then some organic crushed red peppers, and I like it spicy, so, and then some ground black pepper, and then some onion powder also. Oh, also I have back here some sweet basil leaf, and then which I got from Natural Grocers, and then some lemon, and some mint or cilantro, which he suggests. So I have the millet here, and I think it's ready to boil. So not the greatest shot, but so we'll put in some tomato paste, and we're going to put in about a tablespoon of tomato paste. And this is just the sauce for the ramen noodles, without using soy sauce or without using coconut aminos. And then we're going to squeeze in about a half of a lemon. All right, and don't know if you can see that, but that's the mixture there. And then we're going to do about 1/4 tablespoon of maple syrup. And I don't usually measure, so. And then a dash of cayenne, a dash of garlic powder, a dash of red pepper, and a dash of black pepper, and then a little bit, a dash of onion powder, which is a little bit more than I wanted to. And then we'll just give that a stir. Not sure if you have a great view or not. The sun's in our background. Alright. Like I said, this is an alternative for the coconut aminos. We'll just give that a taste. It's pretty good. Okay. Very good. Alright. And then we'll set that down. The noodles are still boiling. Give it a stir. And like I said, this takes about 5 minutes, so we've probably been working on that sauce for a good two or 3 minutes. And we'll come back to that. Okay, so I've strained the ramen noodles, and we're just going to add the sauce to it. Or we could have added it to the sauce. And then we'll take and stir it. And you can add more of any of the ingredients as long as you know you like that. And he's approved of each one of them. All right, and then you can add zucchini to it. You can add cilantro to it. You can add cucumbers to it. I have some cucumbers over there that I can add to it, and but just for now. And then I'll get a fork. And give it a taste. Right. Add some of the basil leaf to it, and you could add as much as you want. And then I'll just give it a taste. Okay, so it is perfect, and you don't need to change anything, but if you just leave a comment for me and let me know how you did on it, that would be great. Thank you very much. Have a very blessed day. Thank you.